right, guys, in this video, I wanted to just share with you guys VIP because the price will be going up. So, right now, you can jump into VIP for the $47 a month or do the yearly and save some money. You get all the premium features here that comes with the community. This also gives you VIP and premium access to the Digital Boss School Hub. You get both of those unlocked for the one price. You don't have to upgrade in the other one as well. So I think that's a huge point to make. You get the weekly live coaching. This is also going to unlock my ultimate school playbook that just released. That's why this price is going up for sure. You get access to my VIP workshops that you guys know I do with the replays. You don't have to pay for that. You guys know sometimes I do paid workshops. This will be included in your VIP. Let's see, obviously you get access to the premium tier, promote your community, freebies, and one paid offer weekly here. And then, of course, in the Digital Boss School Hub, that is something that you get 2 promo posts a day over there because that's more of what that group is about. So I want to share with you in the classroom. All right, so you can see I have this unlocked for VIP. You get every single thing in my classroom. This is the only thing that is not included, and that is only because that is a workshop that both me and Dr. Stephanie did together. Everything else is unlocked. That is pretty cool. Obviously, these will unlock at level 8, level 9, but you get the YouTube from the 2 7-figure earners, scroll stopping edits, where she is talking about Instagram and CapCut editing, really cool training, LinkedIn, Pinterest of profits. Obviously, you get the VIP coaching vault that has replays and all of that for the weekly calls. The Digital Boss directory, where you get to have your own page with your picture if you want. You can add a video if you prefer. Your socials, your community links, your website, your freebies, whatever you want in there. The Ultimate School Playbook, Content to Cash workshops, guest speaker replay vault that has a lot of gold in there. School Starter Kit. This is also the VIP Inner Circle coaching where you can go and see all of the replays. So I just wanted to show you guys what you get with VIP because yes, you can purchase the Ultimate School Playbook for the founding launch price is $97, or you can upgrade to VIP right now for $47 a month, get weekly coach calls and every single thing in my classroom minus the UGC workshop, which is a separate thing. So just wanted you guys to know what you had available. Let me know if you have any questions and I will attach the link to upgrade. The price will be going up here soon, definitely by July 1st, if not before then. So let me know if you have any questions and I will hope you have a good day.